Next recipe is pumpkin soup. Ingredients: pumpkin cooked and mashed, onion chopped, garlic ginger chopped, green chilli, lime juice, then beans, butter or oil, then pepper powder, salt and water. Take a pan, put butter or oil, then put onion, ginger, garlic, beans and green chilies. Then saute it. Then add pumpkin, cooked and mashed pumpkin. Then add water, almost 2 cups of water. Then mix all together. And boil it for 2 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoonful pepper powder. Finally add 2 tablespoons lime juice. Pumpkin soup is almost ready. Tasty and healthy pumpkin soup is ready.